Did you know that many of AmaWaterways Rhine river cruises include a canal cruise or a tasting tour here in Amsterdam? But there's so much more that you can see and experience with us in and around this fascinating city. During your Amsterdam land stay with AmaWaterways, your knowledgeable local guide will take you on a walking tour alongside the city's iconic canals. You'll see the locals speeding by on their bicycles, the most popular form of transportation in the Netherlands. You'll also get to see the modern-day museum that was once the home and studio of the famous Dutch painter Rembrandt. The next day, before transferring to your ship, we will travel back in time to picturesque Zanzashan, a special neighbourhood where you can find traditional windmills, barns and workshops representing life in the Netherlands during the 17th and 18th centuries. With overnight stays at a leading hotel, daily breakfast, tours and transfers all included in the price, our Amsterdam pre-cruise land stays offer such exceptional value. And a friendly AmaWaterways cruise manager, like myself, will accompany you throughout your journey. So what are you waiting for? Contact your travel advisor and book your Rhine cruise and Amsterdam stay today.